Would you like to learn, know the secret what I shared with him? Seriously? Yes. Pakka? Yes. 100%? Everyone say hi Siddhalinga Swami. Hi Siddhalinga Swami. So I want to stand like this only. Raise your hand like this here. Okay. Little bit tight. Say my name is Siddhalinga.
My name is Siddhalinga Swami.
Okay. The hand is tight. Okay. Say my name is Ravi.
My name is Ravi.
My name is Ravi.
My name is Ravi.
My name is Ravi. Did you see what happened? Okay. What's your favorite sweet?
Obbattu.
Say my favorite sweet is Obbattu.
My favorite sweet is Obbattu.
Okay, hand is strong. Now say I hate Obbattu.
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 Can you see the difference? Let's do one more test. Everyone see towards him, think something bad about him. Something nasty. Okay, enough. You see, it's not at all holding. Okay. Now think positive about him. More. Good. Can you see the difference? Huge round of applause to him. Wait, I'm not completed. Now keep your hand like this. Now, I'll share a secret with him. Now again imagine everyone send some negative thoughts over him. Okay. Nothing happened. Good. Thank you. So what I simply told him was, this is something called muscle testing. Okay. What muscle testing does is, what our thought, emotions, feelings or intention we have, if it's correct, if that thing resonates with us, then the energy flow is stronger, because of which the hand was not moving. If something is there which doesn't resonate with us, or which is not matching or which is not beneficial to us, for example, if you hold salt and stand, your hand will go down. If you hold some good vegetables and stand, your hand will stand still, very strong. The entire body knows the vibrations of what's good, what's not good for you. So this is called muscle testing. So what I actually did was, we tested in the beginning what they like, what they don't like. You are clear about that? Yes? So now, when we made his hand like this and told you all to think about negative about him, all the negative energy vibrations came towards him, his energies went low and his hands immediately went low. Could you see that?
Yes.
And when you send the positive emotions and vibrations, his hands were strong still. Could you see that?
Yes.
So next, what technique I shared was, when his hand was like this, I told him to visualize like he is standing under a waterfalls. That's all. He's surrounded with around a waterfalls, flooding of water all around front side of the body, over the body and back side. Nothing else. Visualizing a waterfall, and you try to set the negative intention, it didn't work on. The waterfalls was like a protection layer.